Last time we made a value scale. Value is the lightness or darkness of a color. We made tints, we made shades. Remember that a hue is the true color. So red, blue, yellow, green are all hues. Tints are when we add white to a color. Shades are when we add black to a color. So for our ocean scene, we're going to be working from white all the way down to our darkest shade. So you're going to have a plate with the color white and a little bit of black, a paper towel, and a cup of water. So we will be starting with white, and we're just going to put a big white circle on our paper. Since I'm using my own cup, I don't have to wash my brush all the way off. I can dry it on the paper towel. That way my colors are not mixing a whole lot, but it's okay if they mix a little bit because you're all going to have your own plate. So what I'm doing is I'm slowly making a nice light tint. So I'm mixing a lot of white with a tiny bit of blue. I can even mix on my paper like this. If I want to mix it on my plate, I can. So a lot of white and a little bit of color. Then I'm going to start to mix a little bit more color in there. I am always going to follow my circle motion. So I'm going to be going in a circle around my original white circle. Okay? So if it ever gets too dark too fast, you can just go back in and add a little bit more white. I'm going to keep going, and the further away from my white circle I get, the darker I want my value to be. So up until now, I haven't used any black. This is my first black. And remember, black is a very powerful color. I only want to use a tiny bit of it. So I don't use black until I'm close to the edges of my paper. And I don't use a lot of it. I will use a lot of hue and just a tiny bit of black because black darkens up a color really, really fast. Again, I am trying to get darker the further away from my white circle I get.